Hey guys, Ray here, and today I am really excited because I get to show you a software that's going to help you to rank videos super fast. Now, the software is called vRankerPro. I know many of you have seen it, knew that it was coming out. You've asked me questions about it. Well, I finally got to really go in there and actually use the software and see how it actually performed. And believe it or not, it actually took a roofer video, put it on page one literally in less than a minute. And I'm going to show you how that worked in just a moment in the case study. But the cool thing about this is this software allows you to set up locations. And then every time that you want to do a video, you simply choose what niche you want to do. You add your location and it does all the work for you, sets up your titles, your tags, and your descriptions. And these guys have gone out and they've figured out exactly what it is that Google is looking for in titles, tags, and descriptions for each of those keywords and each of those niches, so that you get a really, really good title, a good tag, set of tags, and a really good description that helps you to rank super, super quick. And so let me show you the case study. I'm going to send you over to a video I made showing how fast we were able to rank the roofer video. So take it away. Okay, so here I am on Google doing a search for emergency roofing repairs in Lake Elsinore, which is one of the built-in search functions inside of vRanker. So I wanted to use that and check it first. And as you can see here, there's no videos on the page. So we are starting fresh. And so now we're going to use vRanker and see what happens. Okay, so here I am inside of vRankerPro, and this is broken up into two pieces. The first piece is the locations. And as you can see here, I've got two different locations. I've got Canyon Lake and Lake Elsinore, which are two areas right around me here. And if we go into one of these, for instance, into Canyon Lake, you'll see that you put in the location name, the town, the region. In this case, I put Inland Empire, area code of 951, Area 1, Canyon Lake, Canyon Hills, Skipper's Island, and Sunset Beach. Those are four different little areas inside of Canyon Lake that people will know what they are. The zip codes for the area, 92532, 92530, not really in Canyon Lake, but it's close by, so I figure I'd put that in there anyway. Some of the roads: Canyon Lake Drive, Railroad Canyon Drive, Vacation Drive. Point of interest is Canyon Lake. That might be a little repetitive, but the name of the town and the name of the lake has to be in there, so that'll make sense. And then Holiday Harbor is another point of interest in there that I wanted to put in. Now, if you're trying to do this in a city that maybe you don't know a whole lot about, well, what you can do is you can put in the location here, Canyon Lake, California, which is right where I live here. And you'll see it pops it up here. So now you can come in and you can look and be like, oh, look at this. Big road here, Canyon Lake Drive. Let's put in Canyon Lake Drive. We can look through here. There's Roadrunner Park. So if we wanted to add that, we could put that in there. Obviously, the lake itself. Oh, look, Sunset Beach, Holiday Harbor, Skipper's Island. So all of these different things that we're finding that make sense to add in here to, because what it's going to do is the people that are looking at it are going to see the things in the descriptions that make sense for their location. And it just, it helps to rank it better for that local area because these things are mentioned in there. And I'll show you that in just a second. But basically what you want to do is the areas that you're going to work in, you're going to want to fill these out for them. And right now I've only got two in there, and I'll show you why you need those in there in just a second here. So we're going to close that out. And now we're going to go to the heart of this, which is the optimization templates. Okay, so what you do is you click on the optimization templates. You come in, you select a niche. Now there are 7 niches that come with this. You can actually upgrade to get 15 more. In this case, I'm going after roofers because roofers are a really, really good client to get. When you do this, you'll see that there's a few different keywords you can go for. And I'm actually going for emergency roofing repair town. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. And now we can hit use template here, just like so. And we're going to come in here and we're going to choose Lake Elsinore, which is the bigger of the two. And then we'll come back and we can do Canyon Lake later. And now we can hit apply. Now, if you haven't put in a location or if you're in a new location, you can do it on the fly here, which is great. But we've already got it in here. So we're going to choose Lake Elsinore. I'm going to hit apply. And you'll see here, it makes all of our titles, tags, and descriptions in here. You can see the video tags are already in here. Leaky ceiling, Tuscany Hills, flashing, installation. So all that stuff is in there. Now, all of these things that you're seeing here are actually researched by these guys, so they know exactly what will help you to rank for a local term like this. And you can see here, emergency roofing repairs, Lake Elsinore roof repair. Perfectly logical, makes perfect sense there. Now down here, you can read the description here, looking for emergency roofing repairs in Lake Elsinore or Lake Elsinore area, including Rosetta Canyon, Canyon Hills, Tuscany Hills, and Canyon Lake. We're a roofing repair company that can charge flat rate or by the hour. Our team of roofers and roofing contractors can repair a flat roof, blah, blah, blah. All that stuff is in there. So you get the idea. You can take a look at this and make sure, what I like to do is make sure that everything does make sense. Like for instance, in this case, because we're Lake Elsinore and the area is Lake Elsinore, you may want to go in and make a little bit of an adjustment here. So looking for emergency roofers, Lake Elsinore, and we'll get rid of or the Lake Elsinore because that doesn't make sense there. So what I'll do is I'll just put or the Lake Elsinore area including. Okay. So obviously, because like I said, you want to check these because in this case, Lake Elsinore, because the name of the town and the name of the lake is Lake Elsinore, it can kind of goof it up there a little bit. So you want to make sure that you do that. If the name of your town was Smithfield or Jonestown or whatever, that's obviously not going to be the case. Relevant content, you can see here, close to areas, Tuscany Hills, Canyon Hills, and puts all this stuff in here. And again, this is all researched, so they know that this is the content that Google is looking for these local niches to get them ranked. And so we're going to leave that as is like this. And so now all we have to do is upload a video, use the title, tag, descriptions that we've put in here, and we should be able to get some really great results with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload a video and I'm going to use this. So let me head over to YouTube and we'll upload a video. Okay, so here I am on the YouTube page here, and I'm going to hit upload. And we're going to leave that at public. And I'm going to choose a roofing video that I have here, which, by the way, actually we're including in your bonus package is the video for the various niches that are included in this. So you're going to get access to those videos. So you'll be able to do this just as quickly and easily as I am here. I'm going to choose that. And in just a moment, it'll upload, and then we'll be able to add all of our information. So we're going to go back over to vRanker. We're going to copy the title and paste that in. Oops. Paste that in there. Go to the description and paste that in as well. I'm going to go to the tags and we'll copy the tags. Paste the tags in here as well. Okay, and so now we should be pretty much all set. Now, we're doing this very quickly just to get this up here. Obviously, if you're doing this for real, you're going to want to come in here. You're going to want to add a custom thumb tag. Do something that really is like a billboard for page 1 of Google. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm just doing this just to check things out. You're going to want to come in here to advanced settings, and you're going to want to add your location. So I'm going to put in 92532, like so. Search that up. And the reason for that is, you just want to have all the information possible in here just to make sure that you're getting everything out of this that you can. And once we're done with that, we're going to hit publish. And so now our video is published. And what we'll do is we'll let this sit for a bit and see how this does. We'll research Google and we'll see if the video shows up. Okay, so it's literally been about 5 seconds and already this video is here, and you can see uploaded 1 minute ago. Right there, top of page 1. Now, I haven't done anything to this yet. So this is literally just using vRanker and what they showed here. I haven't done any backlinks to this. I haven't pinged this. I haven't indexed it. I haven't, done anything else with this whatsoever except put it up here. I haven't shared it to social media, and it's already here. Now, I'm going to go in and I'm going to delete this video because, quite honestly, it doesn't have any information, and people are going to be very confused if they go to it. There's, it's just a blank video. It doesn't go anywhere. There's no link or anything like that. So I'm going to go in and get rid of that. But the point being is that fast we got it to rank in there. Very, very cool stuff. And, I'm excited. This is a great program. Obviously, the titles, tags, descriptions that they've researched, they say that's exactly what they found Google is looking for. And apparently that is the case. I may leave this up a little while to see how well it stays without me doing anything else. But right now, very excited, to see that worked that quickly. So very cool stuff. Again, I'm going to have to delete it. So I'm kind of sad, but you know what? I'm going to go back and I'm going to take that video and I'm going to do it for real because these kind of results are very exciting. All right, so there you see it. That is vRankerPro. Very cool, the fact that we were able to rank that video so quickly. The only problem being, of course, that the video that I put up there has no information. It's no place for anybody to go. So I'm going to have to delete it because otherwise there's going to be a lot of confused people watching a video and realizing, hey, there's no link and there's no phone number to call. So we'll have to get rid of that one. But the fact that it ranked so quickly means that now I can actually do a roofer video with information, with a phone number, with a link. That way we can actually start collecting leads and selling them off to local businesses. But as you can see, very impressive, the fact that it worked so quickly. And of course, because this is such a great program, we have put together a nice bonus package, including videos that match the niches that you can create titles, tags, and descriptions for. So if you check down below, you'll learn more all about that. And of course, we get a lot of other great bonuses as well. So scroll down this section. And to learn more about vRanker itself, of course, just scroll down the whole page here. You'll be able to see some of the testimonials, be able to see some of the demos, and really get an idea of exactly what this does. But overall, very impressed with this program, and I hope you are too. So check it out, and we'll see you soon.